thanks so much for joining me today. We're going to be preparing the strawberry upside down cake. This is perfect for all of you strawberry lovers out there, and this is an old school recipe which makes the cake so moist and bursting with strawberry flavor. Now let's get started. To start this strawberry upside down cake, I'm going to be crushing 2 cups of strawberries in my bowl and putting them off to the side while I prepare my cake mix. This is a strawberry box cake being mixed with the eggs, water, and oil. Follow whichever the directions are in the back of the box and mix it until it's nice and smooth. This is an 11-inch cake pan. You could also use a 13 by 9, and I'm placing all of those juicy smashed strawberries into the pan and sprinkling on top of it a small box of strawberry flavored Jello. This will really enhance that strawberry taste and bring it to the next level. Next goes on top of those strawberries 2 cups of mini marshmallows. This will really take away that super tartness from the berries and create a delicious syrup as they melt. They also give the cake its super light and fluffy texture. Once they're evenly distributed on top, you're then going to pour all of that cake mix right over the top and pop this into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 to 50 minutes. Stick a toothpick inside, and when it comes out clean, or you can press it down on top and it sponges right back up, your strawberry upside down cake is ready. Flip it over onto your serving plate and all of that delicious strawberry syrup will just run down the edges. This cake gets so incredibly moist while it's baking. It's such a magical recipe, and let's talk about that strawberry flavor. It's just shining so bright in this cake, and the top tastes like a freshly made jam. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. For more strawberry recipes, be sure to check out my website at isabellasquickrecipes.com, and I'll see you guys next time for another quick and easy recipe.